Hi, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you this stunning 2015 Ford Fiesta in candy blue. This particular car is presented in immaculate condition, having done just 33,575 miles. This 2015 model year comes complete with daytime running lights and front fog lights, in addition to 17-inch alloy wheels. The car also benefits from keyless entry and keyless go. And the stunning interior comes complete with multi-function steering wheel, media and radio controls with Bluetooth, and heated front and rear screens. Towards the rear of the vehicle, also benefits from privacy glass rear tinted windows, in addition to rear parking assistance. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video presentation. If you'd like another video to show you more details, more than happy to provide you with one. Contact us at Seaford MG 01323 898 818.